Alright, here's a quick rundown of the parts that you're going to need to replace the headlight bulbs on this 2009 Ford F-150. Your Phillips screwdriver, 10mm socket, ratchet, maybe an extension, pair of side cutters, and to make things faster if you don't want to use a ratchet, an impact. But this is just all the tools that you'll need to change your headlight bulbs out. Alright guys, so today we're going to be replacing the headlights on this 2009 Ford F-150. The truck looks like here. I'll be showing you how to replace them. The lights that we're going to be using are from Xenon LED Automotive Lighting. These LEDs, let's see what these look like here. It's open. There's the bulbs there. Like that. I'll also add a link in the description so you can see what website I got these off of, and now we'll go ahead and show you how to replace them and install the new ones. Here's a quick shot of the headlights in the daytime. These are the low beams. And I'll show you the high beams really quick. Here's a quick shot of the high beams in the day. Now we'll get to replacing them with the LEDs. Alright, so we're going to start by pulling the driver's side headlight first. To do that, we're going to have to pull this little flap off right here. And pull this little clip out, plastic retainer clip. And then it's got two 10mm bolts on top, and there's actually one behind here. So let me get this off and I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, so to get these little screw type plastic clips out, take your Phillips head just like this, slowly back this guy out. You don't want to add too much pressure, it'll just push it back in. Back it out like that. Pull it all the way out, and then the clip should just pull out just like that, and then that's the style of clip that it is, and now you can reuse it and not have to go get new ones. Alright, so we got this cover out of the way. We'll just fold it back just like that, let it stay over there, or however it wants to stay. Anyway, this is where our third 10mm screw is. We'll pull this one, and this one over here, and then we'll be able to pull the headlight assembly out, and I'll show you that right now. Now to pull the headlight out, you're just going to grab on here and on this side as well. There's a clip back here that kind of holds it. So you just kind of pull with a little bit of force and it should just pop out. So I'll show you that right now. Alright, so we got the driver's side headlight out here. These are the little retainer clips that hold the headlight in back here. It's kind of hard to see. There we go, there's one. And then there's the other one. And these holes are for the little dowels on the headlight housing. that guide it in. Now we can replace the bulb. Alright, now to unplug the headlight bulb, press on this little tab back in here, press in, and it'll pull off the back of the light. Push down, twist it out. There's our headlight bulb right there. Now we can put our LED back in on this side. Alright, so these LED headlights here have a little bit different style connector on them. This is what it looks like. And the factory one has just 3 tiny pins inside the bulb. So we'll install this LED, and the kit actually comes with its own adapter. So this will go on this end, and then this side here will plug into the factory harness in the truck. So we'll go ahead and install these, and I'll show you once I have them installed. Alright, so we got the first LED headlight installed here, just like that. Got the little extension harness plugged in. Now we'll go ahead and put the headlight back in. I'll show you a quick comparison before we do the other side. Alright, we got the headlight back in. Go ahead and reinstall our 3 bolts. One there, one back inside here, and then we'll do a comparison with the new LED versus the old on this side, and then we'll replace that one. Alright, so we got one LED in here. Here's a quick comparison of the two. Obviously the driver's side is the new LED. You can see how much brighter it is even on the garage door in the daytime. There's that there. And then the low beams. And I'll switch to high beam. We'll check the comparison on that. Way brighter compared to factory OEM bulbs. They look a lot better too. So now we'll get the other one installed. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and pull the other side apart. Kind of the same steps, remove the little connector here, the little plastic clip, we already did that. The 10mm bolt here, I already removed. The same two on top. Then we'll go ahead and pull the headlight housing out just like we did on the other side and replace the bulb. Got the passenger headlight in now with the bulb installed. Now I'll just go ahead and install the 10mm bolts back on both sides here. Install that one. This one here. Hidden one down here. Right in there. Go. Come over here to the driver's side again. Install this one. This one here. And our hidden one behind the flap in here. Tighten them all down, button the two flaps up, and we'll take a look at the headlights once I have that done. Alright, we got both LED bulbs installed in our headlights now. They look a lot brighter even in the daytime. Just on the garage door. These are the low beams right now. Now we'll hit the high beams. There's the high beams. And then when it gets dark this evening, we'll do a comparison in the dark between the OEM bulbs and the new LEDs. Here's outside the truck, low beams, high beams. Then we'll come up here, low beams, and then the high beams. Here's the after with the LEDs installed outside the truck. I'm gonna hit the high beams, and then back to the low beams. All right, here's another little quick display of the OEM headlights on the garage. Just kind of see how bright they are here versus on the road before we change them over to LEDs. This is the low beam, and we'll switch to the high beams. Those are the high beams there. Here's an after look of the headlights on the garage. These are the low beams, and then we'll switch to the high beams and back to the low beams, and this is what they look like installed at night. Thanks for watching.